Okay, friends, for writing center today, our sheet says label it. So we're going to practice labeling. But first things first, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. All right. Now, in our word bank, we have the words glue, book, apple, backpack. So I'm going to look at my picture. Apple. Do you see the line is pointing to the apple? And then we have the word apple that we can trace. So A, P, P, L, E. Okay, friends. So again, each line is pointing to the item. So we can see glue. Here's the glue bottle. And then we have the line and the label glue. So I'm going to trace the glue. G, L, U, E. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to work on your other two labels for book and backpack. When you are done, you are going to use your very best kindergarten coloring to color the picture. Remember, I want to see at least 5 or 6 crayon colors in your picture. Okay, do your very best and remember to bring your picture with you before we do our writing time.